AutoCache by Proximal Data is an industry-leading host-based caching solution. Our award-winning software accelerates network storage systems from inside the hypervisor, enabling IOPS-bound data centers to achieve higher VM density per server.
Thanks for taking the time to explore AutoCache for Hyper-V.
AutoCache uses SSDs installed in a virtualized host to accelerate centralized storage. Frequently accessed data blocks are cached on the SSDs of the virtual hosts so that future reads do not need to go all of the way back to centralized storage.
AutoCache installs in minutes and will work with any SSDs you have, whether they are SATA, SAS, or PCIe. Once installed, interacting with AutoCache is done through the Virtual Machine Manager client. Let's start by selecting VMs and services, and then selecting a host with AutoCache installed on it. On the Home ribbon, click the AutoCache Host Stats button. The AutoCache Host View tab displays performance and configuration information. This information can be displayed at the level of an entire host or per storage device. The AutoCache Statistics subsystem collects performance data on a range of metrics and displays this both as a graph and a table. The table contains the latest recorded reading for that category, the maximum, the minimum, and the average. The categories of statistics collected are incoming reads, the number of read requests processed, outgoing reads, the number of read requests that were read from disk, incoming outgoing writes, the number of write requests processed and written to disk, incoming total, the number of read plus write requests processed, outgoing total, the number of read plus write requests sent to disk, and finally, cache hit percentage, the percentage of incoming reads satisfied from cache. The current state of the host cache can also be managed from this screen. AutoCache behavior can be controlled by enabling or disabling caching at either the host or device level. Enabled and disabled do what you'd expect. Offline works like a pause button and is mostly useful in demonstrations to show before and after comparisons of AutoCache added value. Locked prevents automatic cache resizing, which works to prevent workloads from being pushed out of cache by others that are more active. AutoCache is an unobtrusive way to accelerate your I/O and achieve higher VM density in the modern data center. It is a non-disruptive technology, meaning you do not need to architect your network design, backup regimen, or administrative methodologies. AutoCache by Proximal Data. Accelerate your data center today.